picked up a book which talked about the changes you need to make in your first 60 days in a new job. Get into action. Make people changes. Get your people. Create a vision and a mission and set goals and communicate upwards. That's what that book said. Well, for me, this advice could not have been proven to be more fatal. Having changed multiple jobs since then, I learned 3 key things that you must focus on in your first 60 days. Here is the first one. Get liked. Make sure that you get a critical mass to start liking you. You are becoming a part of a new family. Remember, in the existing setup, they all know each other. The power centers are set. People have found their own ways and means to adjust and position themselves in their own spheres of comfort. Identify the strengths and complement the system. Like any family forced to live with each other, the members of this family will also bitch and moan about each other and the company to you. But always play neutral. Never take any sides. You are a newcomer. Never for a second assume that you've been granted the right to articulate your views on the family. The best strategy is to keep quiet, observe, listen, and stay neutral. And remember, your key goal is to get liked. Follow the space to hear about the second learning.